The Dewis Cymru website is the place to find wellbeing information in Wales. Dewis Cymru is filled with information that helps you take control of your wellbeing and choose the types of services that you engage with.
The 2014 Social Services and Wellbeing Act placed a duty on local authorities across Wales to make information about local services available to the public. Dewis is part of their response to this duty.
You can find practical help and support, including community groups, activities and events, local services and national organisations. You can also read about a range of topics to help you identify what matters to you. The Dewis Cymru website is easy to use and available on a range of devices. Its information pages cover everything from being part of your community to finding the right care and support for you.
Information is key to enabling people to make their own choices about how best to meet their wellbeing needs. After my mum died, my dad wanted to live independently in the family home. Despite hours on the web, I struggled to find appropriate services to support him, largely due to inaccurate or out-of-date information. Dewis ensures that we have a wide range of up-to-date information which is easily accessible to the public, enabling them to have a choice and take control of their own lives.
You can find out what is available in your community by simply entering a topic and your postcode and searching through local services. Dewis Cymru also contains information on a wide range of national organisations that may be able to help. You can use Dewis Cymru to help you find a youth club, a walking group, a lunch club, an exercise class, help with things like shopping or cleaning, a childminder, a local support group, a residential or nursing home, and so much more. Dewis Cymru is your first point of call for your wellbeing and the ones you care for. Find out how Dewis Cymru can help you by visiting www.dewis.wales.